There's been a surge of new tools hitting the market over the past few months. Whether it's Makita, DeWalt, Ryobi, or Milwaukee, every brand is competing to launch the latest innovations. That's why we put together this video showcasing some of the newest releases. Let's dive in and see what's new. For those tough jobs where you need to clear out a puddle or a whole basement corner, the DeWalt 20-volt max transfer pump makes the job surprisingly easy. Its self-priming feature means you just set it up and it starts pumping water with no extra effort. While it's perfect for mechanical and plumbing professionals, anyone dealing with water or glycol mixtures will appreciate how smoothly it operates. It can handle a 60 by 40 propylene glycol mix, making it a great choice for HVAC work as well. Plus, the LED power switch ensures visibility in low light conditions. Compact, cordless, and easy to carry, it's designed to keep you mobile and hassle-free when water is involved. For pool maintenance, the Ryobi 18-volt 1 Plus Pool Vacuum offers the perfect blend of cordless convenience and powerful cleaning. Designed specifically for pools, hot tubs, and spas, this vacuum delivers a strong suction rate of 13 gallons per minute, easily picking up sand, dirt, and leaves. Without the hassle of tangled hoses, it makes cleaning quick and effortless. To get the best results, it's recommended to fully submerge the vacuum during use. With an IPX8 water resistance rating, it performs reliably at depths up to 13 feet. Milwaukee brings another smart solution with their 16-foot pole saw and pruner. If high branches have given you trouble in the past, this tool makes trimming a breeze. With a reach of up to 16 feet, it's perfect for tackling tree pruning tasks in your yard or on the job site. No need to haul out a heavy ladder. Despite its impressive extension, the pole saw is lightweight and easy to maneuver whether you're cutting overhead or at tricky angles. Built to Milwaukee's rugged standards, it's tough enough for demanding jobs, yet straightforward and user-friendly for routine maintenance. Bulky, awkward leaf blowers are a past thing. With the Worx Leaf Jet, this lightweight, cordless blower is perfect for clearing your driveway or tidying up your yard without leaving you sore afterward. Powered by a 20-volt battery, it uses sonic turbine fan technology to deliver a powerful 410 cubic feet per minute of airflow at speeds up to 130 miles per hour. Tough enough to tackle even stubborn, wet leaves. What makes the Leaf Jet stand out is its variable air control nozzle, allowing you to adjust the airflow for different tasks, and its ultralight design, weighing in at just 3.7 pounds, makes it easy to carry and use for extended periods. Forget about gas blowers. This model is efficient, completely cordless, and simple to operate. Just grab it, power on, and you can clear any space in minutes. Sometimes having the right knife can change everything, and this compact tool is a game changer. The Wolfcraft snap-off blade knife fits perfectly in your hand with its ergonomic metal body and soft grip zones, combining power, precision, and comfort. Its standout feature is the auto-locking blade system, which securely clicks into place for tough cuts, with an added safety knob for extra locking during heavy-duty work. When you run out of blades, there's no hassle. An integrated magazine holds 8 spare blades that feed automatically, so you can snap and keep going without interruption. This utility knife is the ideal compact tool to have ready in your pocket. When it comes to reliable lighting for your workspace or job site, the Ryobi 18-volt 1 Plus Hybrid Magnetic LED Task Light stands out. Offering 3 brightness settings that shine with up to 1,500 lumens, it guarantees excellent visibility wherever you need it. This task light is designed for versatility, featuring a robust magnetic base and a hanging hook that fits 2x lumber. Plus, it easily integrates with the link wall system for even more mounting options. The light panel moves fluidly, rotating a full 360 degrees and tilting 180 degrees, so you can precisely aim the illumination. Powered by hybrid technology, this task light runs either on any Ryobi 18-volt 1 Plus battery or a standard extension cord, allowing uninterrupted use. With a battery rated at 6 amp hours, it can deliver continuous light for up to 48 hours on a single charge. An added benefit is the built-in 3 amp hour USB-C charging port, letting you power your mobile devices straight from the light. Imagine framing without the hassle of dragging a hose around your feet. That's true freedom, and the Flex 24-volt framing nailer is your key to it. This cordless powerhouse fires up to 3 nails every second with no delay and can drive over 1,000 nails on a single 5 ampere-hour battery charge. It combines power, precision, and impressive battery endurance to tackle even the most demanding framing tasks. Adjusting the nail depth is effortless with a simple twist of the dial, and switching between firing modes is just as easy. The dry fire lockout feature prevents damage by stopping the tool from firing when it's out of nails. Additional conveniences include LED lights to illuminate dark corners, a belt clip, and a rafter hook for easy, hands-free carrying. Compatible with nails ranging from 2 inches to 3.5 inches, this nailer keeps up with every job without missing a beat. Whether it's an emergency or everyday use, this versatile tool is always at the ready. The Worx multifunction portable jump starter is truly a lifesaver. It can easily jumpstart cars, motorcycles, or ATVs with engines up to 4 liters for gasoline and 3 liters for diesel. Alongside jump-starting, it features a USB charging port to keep your devices powered while on the go. Capable of delivering up to 30 jump starts per full charge, this compact device includes an SOS strobe light for emergencies. It also functions as a work light or flashlight, ideal for low light conditions. Safety is paramount, with reverse polarity and spark-proof protection, and its water-resistant design ensures reliability in all weather conditions. Compact and easy to store, this jump starter is an essential addition to any vehicle. If you are trimming branches or cutting wood but want to avoid the hassle of handling a full-size chainsaw, the Soccer Mini Chainsaw is the perfect solution. Weighing just a little over 1 kilogram, this chainsaw is light enough for one-handed use. Despite its compact size, it delivers impressive cutting power thanks to a high-efficiency copper motor and a durable reinforced guide chain. Whether you are sprucing up the yard or working on do-it-yourself projects, the rechargeable 20-volt lithium battery offers long-lasting performance to see you through the task. Safety comes first, with a double lock system and a protective chip guard designed to shield both your hands and eyes. The setup process takes less than 1 minute, and its portable design makes it comfortable and accessible even for older individuals or complete beginners. Next, the Ryobi Verse compact speaker combines ease of carrying, superb sound quality, and tough durability in a single device. It's designed for flexibility in any setting, with robust speakers and a dedicated tweeter that deliver high-fidelity, studio-quality audio wherever you are. The speaker carries an Ingress Protection 67 rating, making it completely dust-proof and waterproof, so it remains reliable in even the harsh or unpredictable conditions. With a Bluetooth range that extends up to 250 feet, you can enjoy your favorite music or podcasts from far across your yard, work area, or outdoor gathering. The unique Verse technology lets you connect as many as 100 speakers together without needing an additional application. Each connected speaker can be up to 125 feet apart, making it easy to create a continuous, seamless audio experience across wide spaces. The speaker is powered by a 2 ampere-hour battery, supplying as much as 6 hours of uninterrupted playtime. Picture this. You have finished framing, trimmed all your cables, and taken care of the rebar. The last step is fastening everything securely, like a professional. This is where the Skill PowerCore 12-volt impact driver kit really shines in your workflow. Though its size is compact, do not underestimate it. It delivers 1,500 inch-pounds of torque in a lightweight body that easily tackles tight corners and overhead spaces without wearing you down. What truly sets this tool apart is its blend of strength and intelligent design. The digital brushless motor not only extends tool life, but also provides precise control with 3 selectable speed modes, so you can confidently handle everything from delicate screws to heavy-duty fasteners. The innovative Halo light brightens your workspace up to 5 times more than standard light-emitting diodes, making sure you always see clearly. Charging is just as flexible and forward-thinking. The 12-volt battery comes with a USB-C port, so you can recharge it conveniently or use it as a power bank to charge your mobile phone right on the job. Compact, powerful, and clearly built to suit the way you actually work, this impact driver meets real-world needs rather than just imagined ones. When you're finishing tasks like trim, molding, or working on furniture, the Ryobi 16-gauge straight finish nailer is designed to deliver cordless precision. Its advanced brushless motor provides reliable power and extends the lifespan of the tool. With features such as adjustment of nail depth without tools and a dry fire lockout that helps prevent unnecessary wear and keeps your work neat and safe, it stands out for ease of use. The best part? There's no need for a compressor or any hoses. Simply pick up the nailer and get straight to your project with no extra hassle. Need a drill that tackles concrete with ease? Then the Worx Slammer drill could quickly become your preferred tool. This drill is engineered for demanding applications, such as making holes in reinforced concrete, featuring active hammer technology that delivers a powerful impact every time you use it. It's powered by a 20-volt brushless motor, providing 25% more power and offering much longer working time between charges. The impressive torque rating of 60 Newton-meters makes sinking large fasteners effortless. Whether you're working with steel, wood, or concrete, the variable speed transmission allows you to maintain full control for every material and task. Thanks to the Worx PowerShare system, you can use the same battery across all compatible tools in the lineup. If versatility, strength, and cordless convenience are important to you, this compact tool is certainly one to consider. Have you ever found yourself struggling to strip a thick underground cable, feeling as though you are grappling with a steel serpent? The Knipex Ratchet cable cutter is built exactly for that challenge. This tool is far more than a simple utility knife. It is specifically engineered for heavy-duty cable work. Its unique blade design allows it to fold safely away, and it features 3 cutting edges to handle both circular and longitudinal cuts. The blade locks into place with a noticeable click thanks to a 3-stage safety catch that enhances security during use. What truly sets this tool apart is the integrated ratchet mechanism. When you operate the handle, the cutter does the hard work for you, powering through tough cable sheaths with ease and requiring minimal effort on your part. Whether you are maneuvering in confined trenches or slicing through thick rubber coverings, the Knipex Ratchet cable cutter transforms a strenuous task into an effortless experience. The Ryobi Link modular storage system is much more than a set of simple storage boxes. It is a fully integrated, mobile, and wall-mountable organization solution designed to adapt as your tool collection expands. Each unit in the storage system clicks firmly into place and locks automatically, so there is no need to worry about boxes toppling as you move them. The entire setup features an IP65 rating, meaning it is sealed to protect your valuable tools from rain, dust, and mud. Your gear stays clean and dry under nearly any condition. The real game changer comes when you return to your shop or garage. You can take those very same boxes and snap them directly onto the Link wall rails. Just like that, your mobile stack transforms into a wall-mounted organization system, keeping your tools accessible and your workspace clutter-free. Inside the boxes, you'll find organized bins, compartments, and dedicated spots for all those small accessory pieces that often go missing. The Milwaukee M18 Fuel Rebar Cutter is engineered to slice through 1-inch to 1 1/4-inch rebar quickly, achieving cuts in just 2 seconds. Powered by a high-output XC60 battery, it can make up to 240 cuts on a single charge. Its cold cutting design, Featuring carbide teeth on the exclusive Milwaukee Rebar cutting blade, reduces sparks and ensures cleaner cuts compared to traditional abrasive wheels. The cutter includes a rapid stop brake that stops the cutting wheel in under 1 second for enhanced safety. Blade changes are straightforward thanks to a connected cover and limited fasteners. Built with a powerful brushless motor spinning at 2,000 revolutions per minute, plus an adjustable 3-position anti-vibration side handle for comfort, this tool combines speed, durability, and user protection to handle the toughest job site demands efficiently. It is fully compatible with the Milwaukee M18 battery system and designed to maximize productivity while minimizing downtime and safety risks. The Ryobi 1/4 inch hex shank drill pump is a compact, powerful tool designed for a wide variety of water transfer jobs. It features a 1/4 inch hex shank, allowing for easy connection to any drill or impact driver and offering excellent versatility. This pump delivers a flow rate of up to 10 gallons per minute when used with a drill running at 2,800 revolutions per minute, ensuring fast and efficient water movement for both large and small-scale projects. Ideal for draining camper or RV tanks, fish tanks, bathtubs, or washing machines, the pump boasts a 10-foot lift height and a 35-foot head height, enabling it to move water over substantial distances and elevations. Built with durability in mind, it has rugged metal housing and dual-bearing support to extend its lifespan. The unit also includes a standard garden hose connection for quick setup. Its lightweight design makes transportation and storage easy, making it a practical addition to any toolkit for routine tasks or emergency water removal. So, that concludes our roundup of the latest power tools of 2025. Thank you for watching. If you spotted a favorite among the picks, be sure to share it in the comments below. Give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more in-depth tool content.